Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I am baking a beautiful Choco Vanilla Bundt Cake. Soft vanilla base with rich chocolate layers, made easily without an oven. Perfect for tea time or special moments. Take 2 eggs and beat for 1 minute. Beat eggs properly for a soft texture. Add half cup sugar, beat until the sugar dissolves completely. Bundt cakes are known for their elegant shape. Add 1/4 cup oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Oil-based cakes stay moist longer. Mix well. Now take 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve into the batter. Mix gently. Add 1/4 cup milk and mix to form a smooth batter. Remove half portion of the batter into another bowl. Add 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. One tablespoon milk. Mix well to make the chocolate batter. Grease oil in a 6-inch Bundt mold. First pour the chocolate batter. Layering batters give a natural marble effect. Then pour the vanilla batter gently on top. Choco vanilla is a timeless flavor combination. Pour batter gently to keep layers visible. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook the cake for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Let it cool before demolding. Homemade cake has no preservatives. Eggs provide protein and structure. Controlled sugar keeps balance in taste. Ideal as an occasional homemade treat. Your Choco Vanilla Bundt Cake is soft, moist and beautifully layered. Serve it plain or with tea and coffee. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovative Foods for more easy cake recipes.